Research firm CB Insight just published the 2020 report to highlight the most valuable AI companies in the world. Let's take a look at the top 5 to see what kind of AI do they have. SenseTime was founded in October 2014 in Hong Kong, now valued at $7.5 billion. In the same year, SenseTime unveiled its facial recognition algorithm, DeepID, which had achieved close to 99% accuracy rate back then. While SenseTime's impressive computer vision technology has many different applications, including smart cities, autonomous driving, as well as medical image diagnosis, its main customer is the Chinese government. SenseTime technology is being used in tracking and controlling the Uyghurs, a largely Muslim minority in China. Therefore, it was among the Chinese companies blacklisted by the Trump administration in 2019, and MIT has also cut ties with the company. You might not have heard of Tanium, and it's probably because IT management is not exactly a sexy topic like facial recognition. Tanium was founded in 2007 and is an endpoint security and systems management company based in California, currently valued at $9 billion. Basically, Tanium's products are used to strengthen and optimize an organization's cybersecurity efforts and manage all the access of all the devices such as computers, laptops, and mobile phones connected to the company network, which, by the way, is a headache for IT organizations right now because everyone is working from home. Tanium utilizes NLP, or natural language processing, to empower IT and security teams to ask questions in human language about the health and status of all the laptops, computers, and devices across the enterprise network, and get data for monitoring or further analysis. Tanium is a great example showing you that you can totally become a silent unicorn, doing things that few people pay attention to. However, these things are what the enterprises really need. UiPath was founded in 2005 in Bucharest, Romania, and later moved their headquarters to New York City. UiPath developed a platform for RPA, or robotic process automation. You can think of UiPath as a software robot, and RPA is a process of using AI and machine learning to automate the tasks in a company previously too time-consuming and repetitive for humans, such as maintaining records, addressing queries, and performing transactions. Every company is looking for ways to automate these tasks so that they can reduce the time and costs their employees need to spend on doing such boring work. And don't panic, humans, this software robot will not take your job. It's just taking care of things that you don't want to do, like having to copy and paste the data from a system into an Excel and then send it in a report for your boss to review. Things like that should be automated so you have more time to do fun stuff like developing your leadership skills. Wish was the world's most downloaded e-commerce app back in 2017 and is still the most downloaded e-commerce app in 41 countries today. What? Not Amazon? Well, it's because not everyone wants to pay $120 per year for Amazon Prime. Wish uses deep learning to learn customer preferences through browsing habits, social profiles, as well as ad viewing history, and then Wish uses this insight to recommend items for impulse purchase, things you don't have to think much to buy. Wish provides this platform so that Chinese merchants can sell largely unbranded items to consumers all over the world. You can buy a $2 sweater with $2 shipping, so it's only $4 in total, but you might have to wait for a few weeks for your product to arrive. Wish has found this niche by going after a market that's ignored by Silicon Valley elites and prioritizing price over experience. And yet, it is a niche. Never think something is too below you because, again, you can get paid a lot of money by doing things no one wants to do. ByteDance is just TikTok's parent company, and TikTok is just one of the products that ByteDance offers, so you can imagine how huge this company really is. In fact, it's now valued at 140 billion. ByteDance has many AI products in digital media, but let's just focus on the AI on TikTok today. TikTok does not use the social graph, but interest graph, which means the recommendations they give you have nothing to do with your friends and family's preferences, like on other social networks. Hint, Facebook. Hint, boring. You can download the app and start consuming immediately, and TikTok's algorithm will keep pushing you content based on the signals such as if you skipped a video, if you rewatched it, and if you saved it. As of September 2020, TikTok now has 850 million users worldwide, all providing fertile training ground for their algorithm, which is why the app is super sticky. It's currently my favorite way to waste time if I have some time to kill. It's so easy to wake up and realize, oh, I have spent 30 minutes on it. The key takeaway for me is that we often forget that AI can be applied to unsexy areas that no one thinks about, but there must be other needs like that in the world that can be solved by AI, so the opportunities are endless. Are you going to be the next AI unicorn? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you and see you next time.